It's me again, Miss Mawon Santi. Today we're going to explore and experience how to read words with long E. What is long E? Do you know when you put two X together side by side, the sounds become E. Long E. Can you stretch your arms like this and then say long E? Like this, two X become E. Let's explore. Skr, E, screen, and screen. This is screen. This is my screen of my computer. E, see. We see with our eyes. E, sleep. Remember, we need to sleep early and wake up early. Where's my pencil? Yeah. Creep. These all the animals that creeps. They can creeps and crawling on the wall or on the table or on the floor. Creep. Swirl. E, sweet. These all the things that taste sweet. We use our tongue to find out whether it's sweet or not. E, feed. This mother tried to feed the baby. Can you eat by yourself or still needs help someone to feed you? Next. Tree. This is a tree, a very big tree. Feel. Sometimes we can use our skin to feel, or we can use our heart to feel sad, or happy, or angry. Feel. Swim. E, swim. Take a look, this boy is so diligent. He tried to sweep the floor. Greet. You can greet by saying hello, hi. Sometimes you can bow down to greet, or you can put your hands on your chest. Greet is very important. Greet shows respect to other people. Next. Bee. This is bee. Bee can sting you. Bzz. Seeds. This is kinds of seeds. Corns, rice, all kinds of seeds. K and H become ch. Cheese. Silent X. Cheese. This is all kinds of cheese. I like cheese. Do you like cheese? Next. Deer. This is a deer. Teeth. Remember to brush your teeth before you go to sleep. Swirl. E, sweet. When you have s at the back, sweets means bunch of candies or bunch of chocolates. E, feet. Sheep. Grr. E, green. Green. S and H. the book. See you later. Bye.